Welcome to Detroit, everyone. Local time is approximately 7:50 p.m. There has been a 1-hour time change from Minneapolis. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain's turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. It will be your only indication that it is safe to get up and collect your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins. Items do tend to shift during takeoff and landing, could fall out and injure you or someone around you. If you have any questions about ground transportation or baggage claims, uniformed Delta agents greeting this flight will be more than happy to assist you. For those of you making connections here in Detroit, once you get off the aircraft, you go up the jetway. Right there in the gate area, there is a flat screen monitor with your most up-to-date and current connection information. There are also monitors located throughout our McNamara terminal here. On behalf of all of us here at Delta, your Salt Lake City-based pilots and your Orlando-based flight attendants, it's been our pleasure bringing you here tonight. We look forward to seeing each and every one of you on a future Delta flight. Thanks again, everyone. Have a great evening.